Thank you so much. Over to Rabia.
We have a lady here who is really inquisitive to ask a question to Ziaullah sir. So sir, I request you to kindly answer her question. It would be great if you could do that.
Assalamu alaikum. This is the first time I'm coming to this meet. I'm so glad for whoever introduced me. Nice to see some familiar faces. Assalamu alaikum, all of you. And thank you so much for inviting all of us. And I'm sure all of you are pretty enthusiastic now after hearing all the speeches. You all want to do something in life, right? Yeah. But whatever it is, my humble advice, because I'm an entrepreneur from past 14 years, I'm into interiors. So I would just advise all my sisters sitting here, I'm sure today all of you are into, and are you going to go home and say, okay, we are going to do something in life, right? Say loudly, yeah. So, but whatever it is, the priority first comes your family. I would definitely tell you, please prioritize your family. And after that, I'm sure you'll have enough time to do all what you want to do in life. Okay? And Ziaullah sir, I had a doubt. See, a lot of people, I mean, there are a lot of, opportunities for Muslim minorities in here, but we are unaware of it. So I want to know, is there any website or something that we could go on and check out what are the opportunities we are getting?
See, there is a MSME website, and apart from that, 2 days back we have given the information to MIA and they have printed the booklet. What are the schemes of government? In that, what are the women entrepreneurs are going to get? And what is the reservation, what is the benefit? Minorities are going to get. Everything is available.
Thank you.
And to add to Ziaullah Saab, what Salma Musa madam said that she is doing this, that, and she is going to charge. There are Ziaullah Saab and his team. We are doing all this work without a charge. You can approach your district industry centers at your places.
Thank you, Safina. It was incredibly a good session. Moving ahead, we have a bureaucrat amidst us who has served in more than 12 districts as assistant director, deputy director, and joint director. He is a treasure of knowledge when it comes to entrepreneurship development, marketing, etc. Currently, he is the additional director at the Directorate of MSME, Government of Karnataka. Let's all welcome Mr. H.M. Srinivas with a huge round of applause. Can I please have the energy back? A huge round of applause. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಂಗ್ಲರ ಭಾಷೆನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಭಾಷೆನ ಕೇಳೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗ ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಕೇವಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಈ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸವಾಲು ಅಥವಾ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಹೌ ಟು ರೋಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಡವಾಳನ ತರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನೀತಿಗಳನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಈಸ್ ಪಯೋನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇವತ್ತು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ನೀತಿಯನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸೋದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆಗ್ರೋ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ energy storage policy, it may be retail trade policy. Like that, there are more than 20 policies. No other state has formulated this many policies. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇಂಥ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ನೀತಿಗಳನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ನೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಅಸಮತೋಲನ ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಕೆಲವನ್ನ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳಿವೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡದವರೆ ಜೋಯಿಡಾ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳು ಬೆಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಕೆಲವನ್ನ ಈ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಅಸಮತೋಲನ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಕೆಲವು ನೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ತಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಮತೋಲನದಿಂದ ಬಾಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಅಸಮತೋಲನ ಆದರೆ ಎರಡನೇದು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅಸಮತೋಲನತೆ. ಮೇ ಬಿ SC/ST, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅದರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟೀಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಮತೋಲನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ತಂದಿವಿ. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲನೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ನೀತಿ 2014-19ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ, ಹಿಂದುಳಿದವರಿಗೆ, SC/ST ಅಥವಾ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪಂಗಡದವರಿಗೆ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸುಮಾರು 36 ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾರೇ ಹೋದ್ರು ಮಹಿಳೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಪುರುಷರಾಗಿರದೆ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಲೋನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂತರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಟು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್. Like this, there are 36 incentives concession. Among them, few are it is there. Next slide. Yeah. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿರು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಏನೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಯಾವ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸೇಲಿಂಗ್, ಈ ಥರ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿನ ಓದ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದಾದರೆ ಇನ್ನು ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗ ನಿವಾರಣೆಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ 3 ಯೋಜನೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. They see this, go to the book. It's okay. Next, coming to the other scheme is Department of Industries Commerce is implementing a scheme like Prime Minister the Employment Generation Scheme. It's a Government of India scheme. ಈ ಒಂದು ಯೋಜನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಾಗಲಿ ಪುರುಷರಾಗಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 lakhs and 25 lakhs. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಏಜ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 18 years, they should have finished. And qualification is, that is 8 pass is required to get a loan of 10 lakhs and 5 lakhs in respect of manufacturing and service enterprises. And the promoter contribution is also required, 10% for general and 5% for SC, ST, OBC, minority and women other. So, next. The subsidy component involved in this is urban. In case of urban, general category is 15%. In case of rural, it is 25%. And there is a maximum ceiling also, that is 3.75 lakhs and 6.25 lakhs. In case of minorities, that is minority as well as women, it is 25% and 35%, urban and rural respectively. The maximum limit is 6.25 lakhs and 6.25 lakhs. Irfan, is it right? The ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಯೋಜನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸೃಜನೆ PMEGPಗೆ ಸರಿಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಸಹ ಒಂದು ನೀತಿನ ರೂಪಿಸಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ CMEGP, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್. ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ is, the project cost is 10 lakhs. This scheme is applicable only to the rural entrepreneurs, the rural people. And the minimum education requirement is 8 pass. Age limit is 21 to 35 years. And women is 21 to 45 years. Income linked, there is no income ceiling. And the promoter contribution is 10% as well as 5% for women. Subsidy limit is 25%, maximum 2.5 lakhs, and for women it is 35%, 3.5 lakhs. This is for first generation entrepreneurs only. Apart from this, there are many other schemes. Kindly approach your nearest joint director district industry centers concerned. With these few words, I thank the MIA for having given me an opportunity to disseminate some information. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Having bureaucrats in this event has opened doors to enhancement of our ideas regarding the schemes from the government for entrepreneurs. To enrich ourselves further on these schemes, let's invite Mr. K.M. Jagdish, the CEO and Chief Advisor at TechSoc.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ we will also implement a government scheme only, especially with respect to entrepreneurship. We train them, especially first generation entrepreneurs. They don't know anything about enterprising. They can come to us. We are ready to train for 10 days. In 10 days training, we will import everything. What is enterprise from the day one, that is just like a ABCD, to the sentence formation or to the letter writing, whatever you can call it is. From the day one, we start enterprising you to make enterprise from your side. Actually, what we will do is, in 10 days, from the day one, we start with introduction. What are the schemes available from the government of Karnataka, government of India, other things and all. And we make the session lively by making games and interaction meetings and public meetings and market survey and so many things are there. So for that reason, only thing is you need just idea and courage. We don't want anything from you. We want idea from your side and confidence and courage. If you have a courage, we can train you. If you don't have courage, we cannot train you. That is the only thing I can guide you. Just if you give the name to us, or you can upload your details in our website techsoc.com, TECSOK, techsoc.com, TECSOK.com. I think it is not yet ready. That website is not yet ready. I think within a week it is going to ready. Yes, sir. What's that? 8th. Sir, my office is in Rajajanagar industrial area. DIC office is there, so you can come over there. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. One, it is our office, and in the first floor there is a DIC office. There you can upload your PMEG applications and all. Yes, sir. I will introduce you. Joint Director has come over here now. Joint Director district, especially for the Bangalore urban district, our heading the joint DIC, Mr. Sidlingappa Pujari has also come to us. Come here. I think he is Sidlingappa Pujari. He will take care all your finance needs and all other things. He is the person. He is heading the district, Bangalore urban districts. No doubt. I think he is going to help you all in making all applications, and we are ready to prepare your project reports also. We are ready to prepare DPRs, detailed project reports, with the cost. No free services are available. As you said, free services are available for the smaller projects, like within 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs projects. We are ready to provide at a free cost. For the training also, we take 500 rupees for the general candidates and 250 rupees for SC/ST candidates. Why we have made training fees is to show the interest. If you don't put your money, you will not get the interest, and you will not own the subject, and you will not own the training program. For that reason only we have put the 500 rupees fees. It is very, very minimum. If you go out from the MG Road, you don't get the coffee also. Age is 18, no bar, age is no bar. Only 18 is required because government has made some compulsion. Otherwise you can take 15, 16 also, but we don't take, because government has made a minimum age is 18 years and no age limit. You can 60 also, you can come to us, 60, 70, but only need is you should have some ideas and courage. Otherwise you can't do anything. Okay, I think we are ready to give you any type of training. You can come to us. I think association give the just list of entrepreneurs, first time entrepreneurs, sir. I don't want any already enterprise people, and I will use the service of some expert speakers are here. I think I have seen some expert speakers. I will utilize their services also for your training. Okay, thank you.